What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It has been a while since we did a video. Really excited about it. Just hadn't been able to get out on the boat because I had to change the starter, and then after I changed the starter, the trim motor went out, so had to fix it. But we're all set up. I fueled up the boat, hitched on the back, just waiting for Alvin, my father-in-law. He's coming now, and we're gonna get out there and make it happen. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit. What's up, man? So we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna launch out and let's see if we can catch some fish. It's a beautiful day outside, no wind, and we should definitely get some fish. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit. We'll get out there. We'll see you. All right, we're here. Boat's in the water. Alvin's got her, and we're going out. So excited. It's been so many months. It just took forever to get the trim motor done. I mean, I fixed the starter in like a week, but out here I don't like to run around without being able to use that trim motor, the tilt, you know. But there she goes. Alvin, instead of grabbing the other rope. All right, we're gonna get on. We'll get going. All right, we're out here, boys. Let's go. Alvin, what's up, man?
Hey,
we're back out here.
back out here.
So right now we're just really just playing around, just making sure that everything's working smooth, you know. Brought the rods because we're gonna be fishing, but it's more just to make sure everything's running smooth because I ain't runner since September, you know, so that was a while back. And I even noticed I got to grease up for the motor so we can, yeah. So I gotta get some WD-40 and grease her up and see if, you know, because the steering's a little rough, but it should be all right. But beautiful day out here. Look how calm it is, super calm. I mean, we're ready to catch some dinner and get on some fish. Don't know what to expect because really I just been shore fishing and bridge fishing. I really didn't want to put videos up, you know, because I got a bunch of them already, but maybe I should have, I don't know. But nonetheless, we're gonna get out here, guys. We're gonna get on some fish. I'm gonna get some bait and we're gonna make it happen. Really nice little mooring community. They can moor up here, the sailboats, the boats. People live on these boats here. This is their home. Some people on, you know, vacation or just sailing the seas, but that's their house. Beautiful. To a cuda spot here. I'm gonna see if we could hook up on something. I can't find them. There's a lot of ballyhoo here, but they're really fast, and albeit it seems pretty shallow, we're still in about 6 feet of water, so that net's not gonna sink fast enough. Tried twice, so it doesn't so I'm throwing on one of these plugs to see maybe something. There was a snook over here earlier. All right, man, let's see if we catch on something. All right, got some live shrimp here on a knocker rig. Got the chum out, been working for about 10 minutes. I see some ballyhoo already behind, so we're just gonna drop it down and see. I couldn't find the pilchers over there where I usually get them, so we're gonna have to work with what we got. There goes the ballyhoo here. They're back there working them in the chum slick. You can see them. Just we're in about 11 feet of water, so if I throw a cast net, it's not gonna sink fast enough. So we'll work it. We'll see what we got going on. I'll get with you guys when we start hooking up. All right, boys, fish on. Oh yeah, big old mangrove snapper. Good size. Feels good to catch another one on the boat again. It's huge. Let me secure this hook so nobody gets injured. And I'll show you guys Nah, we don't have to, but for the people. Look at this. Yeah. He is about 13 inches. Beautiful, good start. Hey. All right. Good size, right?
That's big enough, right?
13 inches.
Wow.
Yes. And we start, baby. They're here.
What was that one?
Mangrove?
Mangrove snapper, right?
Yeah. All right, let's catch some more. All right. So it looks like the shrimp is doing good. Shrimp is too good of a bait, guys. I know I've said it before, but there's a lot of ballyhoo here. Just can't cast on them. That net that I have 2 nets, but they're not gonna sink fast enough. Pretty deep water. And then over there at that island where I go get the pilchers, I just couldn't find any yesterday. So just playing around with this, I really just wanted to get out and just test the boat a few days, you know. But since we're out here, we might as well get some fishing done and see, you know, if we can catch something. Maybe we could hit a snapper, a grand slam, a mangrove, a mutton, a lane snapper, a yellowtail. That'd be nice. But we'll see. I'll keep it going. See how many fish we can catch. You can see all the ballyhoo there, I hope. Just a ton of them. You see all that? Those are all ballyhoo. Good bait. Very good bait. If I had a sabiki rig, then I can, you know, cut up some little pieces of squid, throw it in there. They have really small mouths. But I didn't bring it. I have one at home. So we'll see. But with the bait fish here, you know, it should attract everything else. You know, if I catch a big pinfish or a grunt, I'll throw them on top water. I brought 3 rods with me just to see, you know, if we catch anything worth kind of floating in that mid column, you know. Should have some big kudas around too with that cooler weather. There, they got it. They're going with it, running with it. You swallowed it. Swallowed it. Boom! Got him, yeah. Good size too. Yeah. Good sizer. Oh, what is that, a jack? No. Oh, it's a big lane.
Wow, that's bigger than the other one.
Yeah, he's huge.
You have to measure that one.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Right on the button too, right? Right. Look at that guy. All right, he's running with it. He's running with it. Got him. Yes. Another big one. A little smaller, but still a good sizer. Yes, sir.
Gotta be at least 10, right?
More.
Yeah, you got a rule over there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Look at this. Right in the corner. Exactly how you want a circle hook to be hooked. Right on the corner of the mouth. Yeah, he's 12 inches. We'll send him back. He's beautiful though. Look at all that ballyhoo. He's running with it, he's running with it. Boom! He's smaller. He's got a nice little kick to him now. What do we got here? A big ol'.
big and fat. Look how wide it is.
Sending you back, baby. Got him. Oh, a mutton snapper.
Okay.
Mutton, little baby mutton.
Does that be what, 10 inches old?
No, 18.
18.
18, yeah.
That might be too small.
Oh, of course. But if we get a yellowtail, we hit the snapper grand slam. That's all right. Pretty little mutton though. Look at that. You can tell the difference. Mutton snapper have the pointy anal fin. Lane snapper have the rounded fin. We're gonna get him back in the water. They gotta be 18 to keep. But, all right, we're gonna put him back in the water. There he goes. Good job, little fella. Appreciate it. All right. You know what they say? If there's one mutton, there's more mutton. Boom. Yes. Fatty, huh? Got some kick to, oh yeah, baby.
Right?
Yeah, he's a snapper too. Oh, he swallowed my hook. Can you spit that out? Jeez Louise. Look, these are getting bigger. All right, let me get this hook out of him. If not, I'm gonna have to just give him the hook. Right over there, that's where the big boys are. Right where I just threw it, you'll see. I ain't messing around. Come on, Cletus. Just like, you know, it's good to have the bait around the boat. This little guy ate that? Really? You ate that big old Mac Daddy shrimp? Jesus, you deserve it, Pop. Little blowfish. Okay, chill out, don't expand. There you go, you're going back in. Little blowfish,
Huh?
a blowfish. Yeah, I can't believe I mean, they'll eat anything. They got those teeth, but dang. When you think you put the big boy on for that big old mutton or something.
I'm not the old man in the sea. I'm not my luck.
I know.
The story of the old man in the sea, and everybody's catching except the old man.
I know, we gotta turn it around. There we go.
Yeah.
Yes. You see what happens when you talk about it? Maybe it's a swordfish. Yeah, what do you got there? Bring him up. Oh, nice. Don't worry, you catch another one. You caught one, you catch another one.
I'm not completely unlucky.
No, no way. We were just talking about it too. I think I got one on unless they spit the hook. Yep. Nope, he's on, but he's small. This is a little fry. Oh no, he kicked it. You know, it's that feeling you get when you lose one. You know what I mean? I'm gonna blame that one on my wife. She just called me just to see how things were going. And I'm like, yo, we got dinner. Things are great. Oh, got another one on. And then bam. Just like that, she's gone. Not my wife, the fish, you know, but that's a different story. Alvin got one. Yeah.
I got one, but it's not.
Look at that guy.
No, correction, I got two of them, but that other one.
Yeah, look at the size of that thing, man. What do you think that measures, man? 24 inches, 32 inches?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, you caught him though. All right.
My dick is bigger than you.
There we go. It better be.
I just can't swim.
Hey, let's not waste the bait. Pull the, yeah, right. Pull the anchor up. We're gonna go to a different spot. They're all small here. All right, boys. We're on. Hey, Alvin. Decent sizer too. Yeah, they're here. Oh, it's a huge mutton. Don't go around the trunk bag.
Another big one.
Oh, it's a big lane.
Holy shit. That's the first one you caught.
Yeah, lane. This is the lane spot. That's why I call it the lane spot.
Counted that?
Lane snapper.
There you go.
All right, a few more and we're done.
Still there.
Yeah?
I think so. It pulls on it.
Yeah, you do.
That's small. That one's small.
Yellowtail. That's a yellowtail, baby. We got it all here now. Hey, Alvin. Yeah, yellowtail now. Yep, he's on. Fish on. Nice. Yeah. Decent fight. A little smaller. Oh, another mutton. Another mutton snapper. That's 2 for the day. 2 muttons. Now we just need the really big one. Alvin. Another mutton snapper. I'm gonna let you go. Pretty little mutton. Muttons and lanes and mangroves and yellowtail. And then like way back there, that's where those lanes and muttons are. It's crazy. Boom, got him. Yes. What do we got here? A big old mangrove snapper. Yep. Look at the jaws on this guy. Alvin.
You had one before that though, right?
Yeah, I lost it.
You just fought a lot?
I lost it.
Oh wow.
Pretty little fish. All right, right there's the spot, right there. Oh, they're already on it, they hit it. There he goes. Running with it, running with it, running with it, running with it. Boom!
You know what? The next time we go out, I'm gonna catch more than you.
Yes, I hope so.
Next time I go out, I'm going by myself.
Yeah.
So obviously, I know I'm gonna catch more than you.
All right, everybody, so we called it a day. We got some good sized lane snappers, some good mangrove snappers. We've caught mutton snappers, some yellowtail, and a few others. So we had a good day, you know, not too bad. Boats running smooth. Super glad I was able to get that trim motor fixed and the starter as well. So we'll be fishing more often now. And you know, I ran it pretty good today just to kind of make sure everything was going smooth and just had no issues. So she's a good boat. We're gonna get home, we're gonna clean these up, we'll start cooking some dinner. Catch you guys in a little bit.